Hey guys, BestHalo sent me a free pair of their plantar fasciitis insoles so I can stick them in my sneakers and check them out. I wanted to run through the features and show you how well these things work. Now, the first thing you notice about these is they're very heavy duty. They're made out of this tough material here that's going to give you great support. But of course, the best part's over here. You're going to see the EVA foam and the gel cushioning. You can see the high-tech engineering here. They're made to give you that arch support system and work with just about any shoe, whether it's a sneaker, work shoe, or boots. You can see how easily they slide in. And once you have them in, they're going to form that system with your shoe to give you that perfect support. Now, walking around with these, I can tell you I feel much more support on my arch, and I feel much more comfortable around the heel area. My heels feel more stable and I can feel my feet in the proper position. So they're very comfortable and supportive for your feet. So if you're looking for plantar fasciitis insoles, these might be perfect for you.